All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Near Protocol. Near Protocol has been making quite impressive moves within the cryptocurrency market. So, let's waste no more time and discuss what exactly is going on and what could be some of the next price targets we could be aiming for as we do go further into this month of November. So if we're looking at Near Protocol, it's one of the very few coins today as of November the 16th. It's up a staggering 9% on the daily time frame, and on the weekly time frame, it's up 31.3%, which is great to see. So let's take a look at what is happening. So if you guys are looking at the price, it's currently sitting at $1.92. Up 9% in USD comparative, also up 14% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, approaching that $2 billion mark, currently sitting at $1.93 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $379.7 million. So this is great to see. And let's have a comparison. I made an update for Near Protocol just 11 days back. And at that time of recording, you guys can see the price was sitting at $1.52. And not only that, the market cap was $1.5 billion. So fast forward not even 2 weeks, we've seen the market cap increase $500 million, guys. You can't make this up. We're seeing a lot of new investors coming into Near Protocol. It's gaining once again momentum, and as discussed in my previous update, that is to do with layer 1 and of course connections against Solana. You guys know Near Protocol has been being compared to Solana literally since its launch. And of course, you guys know my personal thoughts on that, but that does not mean that Near Protocol does not have a future. But let's take a further look at the price to see what is happening and of course where the price could be going in the immediate short term. As always, though, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you can see this for yourself. Sandeep Naiwal, who is the Polygon Matic CEO, he says, Near is scaling Ethereum, a Chad long-term fundamental focus protocol. So, this is quite interesting. He's replying to Ilya, who is, posting a great thing about Near Protocol. So we'll kind of briefly go over this to really give you guys a better understanding as to what really is happening. So you can see more exciting news from Near and Near Protocol are partnering to build a fast finality layer for Ethereum rollups. Fast finality enables cross rollup to processing within 3 seconds rather than hours or days, and 4000x more cheaply than the current options. Setting to Near and then to ETH, TDLR Near is scaling Ethereum. The fast finality layer showcases the strengths of Near technology while making the open web more usable, which has always been the core goal for Near. It will also help defragment liquidity for Ethereum rollups and make all of Web3 more interoperable as a result. Excited to be working with Screen Kaman and the excellent Ain Labs teams on this initiative. Testnet coming in Q1 2024. Stay tuned. So very interesting to see where Near is really taking things as it goes into this bull market. And of course, as mentioned to you guys before, that layer 1 and layer 2, these projects are hyped up. And not only that, Near had its first ever bull market last bull cycle, and the community is massive. Investors still are very, very confident and think that Near is going to make massive moves in the bull cycle. A lot of people are betting against Near doing I'm sorry, not betting against, sorry, that's the wrong word to use. They're betting on Near to be a top performer, retest the all-time highs. Before we even get into all-time highs, you guys can see if we were to bring out the measuring tool and if the price were to go back to its previous highs back in January of last year, that's a 970% move from the current price level. So that's a 10x. And a lot of people have Near within their portfolio because they think, this will make some moves. Of course, it's not going to compete with Solana, in my opinion. I think Solana is way superior, and I've literally explained this and millions of videos that I've made, that does not mean that, you know, Near won't be making some moves as we do go further into this bull market. It's still very, very far away from breaking out of this consolidation phase. It has seen a significant pullback. You can see this for yourself. Since November, you know, the FTX collapse, we've seen, you know, pretty much a really sharp drop. If we were to bring out the measuring tool for you guys can see it dropped about 66% after breaking below this level of support at $2.87. But right now, what's happening is something quite interesting. You know, having quite a massive move towards the upside. Of course, Solana is moving, so, you know, we could see some sort of correlation in a way for investors to think, you know, these two projects will perform together. You know, I could see where they come from, but you can see we have quite significant resistance coming in the way. If it's able to clear this resistance, we could be seeing in the short and medium term a $2.40 Near, you know, in my honest opinion, coming. So, you know, quite interesting to see right now, quite a bit of resistance. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. You know, if we're looking at the hourly time frame, things are looking quite great for Near protocol. So let me bring that out for you guys. You guys can see pretty much in an upwards trajectory. And if you picked up some Near just on October 19th, you are up right now about 95%. So it has doubled. So basically, you know, $1 billion market valuation has been added over the past, you know, month and a half. So great to see. Like I said, targets are $2.40 if we're able to break out of this resistance that we're facing, and then we'll take it from there. But like I've said to you guys in the comment section, let me know what excites you the most about Near protocol and why do you have it in your portfolio. And if you want me to cover Near more often, let me know in the comment section. But with that said, I will see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.